Chris is out front. Oh, closely followed by Orange Slice. Oh, Frosty's coming down the straightaway. Followed by Orange Slice. Oh, Skittles there. James is trying to run with the big dogs. Okay, I lost it for a second. Just for long enough for Chris to get on around her. But it's still anybody's race at this point. Orange Slice is trying to work his way up the field. And lost it. Oh, got marshaled. Oh, then Kayla did it. Oh, he did it in the next turn too. Chris got around both of them smoothly. These two back here is battling it out. Chris is working his way up the field again, it looks like. James is going to get a piece of that action, he said.
James, get in the middle. In the middle.
2 minutes down, look, in 30.
James, in the middle.
Oh, look, I got her on school. She's trying to get back up.
Middle. On the other side. Yeah, right there. There you go.
Oh, she got marshaled. Chris is still going around smoothly for the most part. Orange Slice got caught in the middle. Oh, Skills got caught down here. Chris is still making decent laps. It's gonna hurt him. It's gonna hurt him. Looks like it'll be the last lap. Boom, boom. Ah!
Oh, you come here, baby. Oh,
That's it.